Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we're going to present you the forum component of Link's community platform. Discussion area in the main navigation menu. There is a list of the available forums, a learners forum for student-to-student collaboration, parents-teacher forum, a parents forum and a teacher forum. Depending on users' privileges, one may have or have not access to a forum. Teachers do not have access in learners forum, as you can see on the note, and so on. We have logged in as a teacher, so we can visit the teachers forum. We can see the replies per topic, how recent a reply has been published, the author and some other helpful notes. We can start a new topic by stating a title, some content, and get also notified by updates via email. You can also subscribe to a topic to get a follow-up of updates via email again, or set it as favorite. Additionally, we can publish a